As the sun dips below the horizon at Jim Corbett National Park, a breathtaking spectacle unfolds. The sky, a canvas painted with fiery hues, bids farewell to another day in this wild paradise. The air begins to cool, and a sense of tranquility washes over the land. The vibrant colors slowly give way to the soft embrace of twilight. And as the last rays of sunlight disappear, a new symphony begins. The gentle murmur of the river, carving its paths through the forest, takes center stage. The rhythmic flow of the water harmonizes with the chirping chorus of crickets. This is the sound of Corbett at night. A peaceful lullaby of nature, a reminder of the wild beauty that thrives even in the dark.